So, hello everybody. The demo I was waiting for since so long. The access to all the camera in front here, so the RGB, the infrared, and the other infrared, the hand and the stuff. So I can see stuff. It's a bit buggy, but it's because I'm recording the ADB while your Wi-Fi and stuff like that. But the stuff is that I want to try something is to use the battery with infrared and see if I can see in the dark and how the infrared will react if I'm in the dark and just see a bit what it gives. So let's try. It's a bit laggy, but once again, it's not laggy because of the application, but because I'm using ADB Wi-Fi to be able to move around. So yeah, see you soon. Alexa, coupe la lumière.
D'accord.
Okay. Okay, so one test I wanted to do is to put here my infrared light to be able to see how it reacts. So that's my room for the moment. So apparently it's really light. There is a lot of light around. And ta-da! You can see the light of my infrared here. Okay. And the hand is not really affected here, but the infrared is kind of weird. So if I use this, nice. So the hand is visible, and you can see a bit the ground around us. And here we have the room, we have the hands. So it also means that if I want to do this, I could be able to use this to be able to do stuff with OpenCV. Nice. Okay, so can I see? So we go in a place where it's totally dark. Yeah, so here, when I was on the other room, I was in total darkness, so impossible to see anything except darkness. And I was able to see here around. Yeah, it's really what we wanted. So I stop the recording here. Basically, just a reminder, it's not laggy. It's just because I'm recording that it's laggy. It's real time. On that, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you later in the next one.